Well, now we're doing section 6.4, question 13. And we have to find the surface area of the figure that's created when we revolve this curve about the x-axis on the interval from 0 to 2. Our first task is find the derivative of that, and that'll be x squared. We bring the 3 down. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now, the next task is to square that derivative. And so we can build the formula in the, or apply the formula in the book in this section. So anyhow, we get x to the 4th over 9. So the surface area will equal 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 2 of y, but y is x cubed over 9, and the square root of 1 plus this, which becomes x to the 4th over 9 dx. Now, let's get a common denominator, and so we get, and by the way, I'm going to put this 9 over here, 2 pi over 9 integral of 0 to 2 of x cubed, and that's going to be getting a common denominator 9 plus x to the 4th over 9 dx. But the square root of 9 is 3. So 2 pi over 9 integral 0 to 2 x cubed. And I'm going to take the square root of that denominator and get it out from under the radicals. Square root of that is 3. I'm going to put that 3 as a factor in this denominator out here. And what we have is the square root of 9 plus x to the 4th dx. And what we have here integrates. So let me erase this, give ourselves some room to work. And so here's what we have to integrate. And we'll go ahead and use u du substitution. So I'm going to let u equal 9 plus x to the 4th. So du equals 4x cubed dx. So we'll divide both sides by 4. And notice we have a perfect fit there. Now, there's the du, or the du over 4. But let's go a little farther. Let's change the limits of integration. So u of 2 equals, well, let's see, 2 to the 4th is 16 plus 9 is 25. And u of 0 equals 9. So now what we have is, and 2 pi, and we need a 4 down here. It's 4 times, and 9 times 3 is 27, and that's going to be the integral from 9 to 25 of, let's see, we've got our du over 4, and I guess we just have the square root of, dx, x cubed dx is du over 4, so u du, which equals, and 2 goes into 4 twice, so that's going to be pi over 54, and the integral of u, square root of u, equals u to the 3/2, so we need a coefficient of 2/3 here, and we're evaluating from 9 to 25. And so 2 goes into 54 27 times, and 3 times 27 is 81, and times, and that's going to be 25 to the 3/2. Well, the square root of 25 is 5, and 5 to the 3rd power is 125, minus, now putting 9 in for u, the square root of 9 is 3, and 3 to the 3rd power is 27. And so 125 minus 27 is 98, so that becomes 98 pi over 81, and that's the guy we've been looking for. We're done.